Betco's Stone, Tile, and Grout program provides a simple solution to clean and protect stone, tile, and grouted floors with a comprehensive product line, procedures, and training programs. This program works on all types of cementitious, ceramic, and natural stone surfaces, such as travertine, terrazzo, slate, marble, and more. When routine maintenance is no longer effective, it's time to deep clean these floors that have moderate soil buildup. This is typically called interim maintenance. Prior to interim maintenance, prepare the floor for regular maintenance practice, such as dust mopping and removing any large debris. Refer to Betco.com and Betco's Stone, Tile, and Grout program to match the cleaner with the area in which you're trying to clean. For moderate soiling of restroom areas, use green earth peroxide cleaner at a 1:16 dilution with water in a Genesis auto scrubber, or use a mop bucket to deep clean tile and grout lines. Use cleaning equipment paired with cleaning brushes or specific grout cleaning pads such as green turf pads for best results. Don't forget to set the wet floor signs in proper places and follow all other safety procedures before beginning. Apply the cleaning solution to the floor, either using a mop and bucket or cleaning equipment. Allow the chemical to dwell 5 to 10 minutes to improve efficacy. Scrub the area several times, assuring all buildup of soils are removed. Vacuum up the solution with a wet dry vac or other cleaning equipment. When all the solution is removed, damp mop the entire area with water to rinse the floor to make sure that all solution is removed. The floor's appearance is now restored and ready for protection. Pour Betco's penetrating sealer on the area to be sealed and use a clean squeegee, mop, or sponge to spread the sealer out evenly over the surface, about 2,000 square feet per gallon. Pay special attention to filling in the grout lines and saturating it for the best results. Allow the coating to dry thoroughly for 20 to 30 minutes before applying an additional coat. Elevated temperature or humidity and application of heavy coats may extend dry times. Allow the floors to dry thoroughly before removing the wet floor signs. Maintain your newly sealed stone, tile, and grout with Betco's daily cleaner for best results. Proper interim maintenance procedures will lengthen the time between restorative maintenance procedures and keep those floors cleaner longer. Betco's Stone, Tile, and Grout program will allow you to achieve pristine floors and keep them in optimal appearance.